flute is the greatest instrument to open the heart, and so therefore let that happen and then see where it takes you. The gentle breath work will guide you into what is resonating for you and what's most important for you. So let's take a deep breath and place a hand on your heart. I want you to feel the healing power of the flute that helps to open your heart, 4 chambers in your sacred heart. A few deep breaths there, and allow the flute to take you. If you could do anything, what would it be? If nothing can stop you, and it can't, what's your miracle today? And so it is.